Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crypto Insider. I am Himanshu. So today this is a daily Bitcoin review video and I will tell you how to book maximum profit in the market. So guys, this week seems very interesting. Firstly, the macroeconomic data is coming out literally every day, and secondly, Bitcoin, S&P 500 and Nasdaq is showing some important support levels. So guys, I will tell you everything in order. So watch this video till the end. And guys, before going to the chart, I want to say thank you to everyone who is supporting my channel and giving me more likes. So my dear ones, let's start with Bitcoin. Actually, what do we see? And you and I see a reaction from the level of 22,900 jewelry, as I like to say. It was not an ideal structure, but nevertheless, this is such a downward one than going lower, and in fact a V-shaped U-turn. We have seen such a reaction, we have reached up to 23,700. Now the question arises, does Bitcoin still have the strength to go somewhere higher, or will we adjust further down? Now we will figure it out. But before we go any further, guys, make sure to write down the comments who is in the long one from 22,900 and when you are planning to fix your positions. And guys, who is in the short positions, also write down the comments what you are waiting for. And guys, your opinion matters to me who is not trading. So guys, please let me know that when you are going to gain positions. I want to read your comments, so guys, be sure to write down the comments. So now let's move on. Actually, what's interesting, I also want to say what to pay attention to. S&P 500. Here I will open a specially daily chart because remember I told you that we have an important level here in which in fact three values intersect. The first is an important level 3955 support level. Secondly, the 200-day moving average is marked in blue and the sloping trend which we broke through here, and now in fact they have written for her test for a refund, and that's why here we have the intersection of three such important elements. There will be one way or another a struggle at this level, and it is very important whether we will see the exit from here higher or still we will fix everything under this zone and then fall below. And guys, please write down in the comments what you will think. This week we will close with green candles or red candles for Bitcoin. What of the important things I want to say? Let's talk about the 4 o'clock. I will reveal that in fact we have already seen the reaction from these levels. That is, we one way or another have upward movements here. Moreover, please note that the Bitcoin is now in opposition, so to speak, with the S&P 500. That is, if S&P 500 is showing growth today, then Bitcoin is on the contrary today. We are showing such a corrective movement. But now we will get to that. Let's take the S&P 500 look, guys. Despite the fact that we had such a correction here, and it seems that we should go higher from this correction. Very important. Please note that we have formed here, in fact, a whole level here, which will be a resistance for us. And what is important, in order to go higher, we need to break through this level and gain a foothold above it to see a strong trade. Then it may signal that in fact the S&P 500 has gone back into the range of somewhere 4,100 to 4,200. If we see the opposite from this level, reaction downwards, then accordingly again there is a possibility of repeated tests actually of this level and this slope. Now guys, let's move on to the Bitcoin chart. But an important reminder, if you are trading or you are planning to trade, then use a highest quality exchange which is safe and reliable. Guys, I am using Prime XBT. I am super satisfied and advise you to try. So guys, if you are using my link and promo code under the video description, the most favorable terms and conditions are waiting for you. Here you can see the link. Just click on this link and don't forget to use my promo code which is insider 2023, and guys, take the 7% deposit bonus. And guys, here you can see one more link which is of my Telegram channel, which is Crypto Insider channel. So guys, my Telegram channel is free to join. There you will find all the necessary information about the market. Actually, let's go to Bitcoin because everything is very interesting here. On the one hand, guys, we saw the reaction of the level and now we are crawling higher and even return to the framework of this base. But first of all, I draw your attention to the fact that we also have a level here on Bitcoin, and therefore as at the S&P 500, it is important to us what kind of reaction we will get from this level if we stand under this level. Then again there is a possibility of another repeat test, and since like you and me this level is already again here we have partially traded, then it will be easy for us to go lower. Therefore when returning Bitcoin here, or in fact with such a movement when returning 22,900, you need to watch very carefully here. On the one hand, if we see a payoff and the formation of a structure here, then this is a good signal. This means that the level is protected and we can easily go higher with you. And those who did not gain long positions will potentially be able to consider positions there. But if when we come back, we fall under this level and start forming something from the reverse side, then on the contrary, this is a bad signal for Bitcoin. And regardless of the structure, it is highly likely that we will go with you in the range of 21,400 to 21,500. And according to my plan, Guys, look at 22,900. I took a small position here just to be in market. This is one time. Second point is that we still have a situation of uncertainty, so there is no only one scenario. So guys, I will remind you the most relevant important scenarios, and we will observe the market then. So the key, my dear ones, is for us to go higher. The first thing we need to see for Bitcoin is a return about 23,900 and consolidation about this level. And then in fact we will be able to see something like this with you. That is, the return here is consolidation and further formation. For example, of a structure to continue with further attempts to exit above. While we are standing under 23,900, this is not very good for several reasons. Firstly, here in fact is the resistance level of the structure, and secondly, you and I, please note, have in fact gone down from this structure, and a return to raised may signal confirmation again. And after that we can go down again and try to break through the level of 22,900 down. Therefore, it is very important to observe carefully now. If you eye and fall below the level of 22,900, then here respectively we have a direct road to the range of 21,400 to 21,500. In fact, it's the strongest fundamental level for you and me, because at this point we have in fact the scrapping of the trend in the opposite direction. We have a liquidity zone here. Yes, despite the fact that this zone is strong for us, my dear, we have fallen under it. We can safely start opening short positions because the signal will tell us that we can easily fall back into the range of 16,000. Therefore, in order for the market to remain positive, you and I ideally now return about 23,900 and gain a foothold above this level. Then we can easily continue, expand these borders, and in fact, the probability of a hike increases higher. The lower we go, the longer we stand and hang out, the higher our probability of going higher increases. But anyway, again, I want to remind you that given the whole situation on the S&P 500, given that we really have resistance zones here, then one way or another some kind of reaction, we can wait here with you. That's all, my dear friends. This is all you need to know today in order to get the maximum profit in the market. Now the most important thing is your fraternal lion support. Therefore, be subscribed to my channel, turn on the bell icon so you will not miss any latest releases of my YouTube channel, and give me more likes, because your likes are food for me, motivation for me. It helps me to shoot video every day for you, so that guys you can pump out more profit from the market. And guys, don't forget to join my Telegram channel also. It's free to join, and there you will find all the necessary information about the market. See you in my next video. Till the time, bye bye.